Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a Sudoku medium. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 9th, 2022. And we have here three regular Sudokus, or puzzles. The first one I've just solved, binary. So we have two puzzles left, Sudoku Mix, aka Killer Sudoku, and a Sudoku Medium. And let's start with this one, Sudoku Medium. This will be a number 4100. Yes, 4100. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for 26 printed digits puzzle, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay. Yeah. How about the 7 in this row? The 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about? We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the second row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 box left. In this big square for number 8. Okay. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Okay. How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. 9. In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. Well, here, I cannot place a 9 here because we already have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there in one of those 2 boxes. Well, we see another 9 there, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, How about these two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Okay. Yeah. 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8, so the other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, a 4. The 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes, and there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Oh, right. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, so we have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Then. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. Alright, 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. In this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Alright. 6. Yeah. 3 and 8. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 189. we have a 9 here, so here cannot be 9, so the 1 and the 8 are left. So here we have a pair, 1 and an 8. So these two numbers are missing in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. And only place left for the 7. It should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Yeah, 5, no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. 2 in this column. Third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Okay. How about these two numbers in this big square? 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 3 goes there. Wait. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row B3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Here we have 2 numbers left, 1 and 8, I believe, yes. Okay. These 2 numbers in this second column. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. This box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box will be 8 and more. That box will be an 8. And this box will be a 1. Find out 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. I'm very surprised with the time, and I like this one. Is this really a 2 stars? No, I think rather it's a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If it's going too fast, you can always rewind the video and watch it back again. Leave a comment if I'm going too fast. I try not going too fast or going too slow. I do not know, but we'll see. Just leave a comment. And before I leave, these numbers I'm analyzing almost for 3 weeks. These numbers, I'm interested. Yeah. Interested. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Who knows? Who knows? 657. Let me mark this. 657 382 382 491 491. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, we have a puzzle with all the numbers. No pairs. Didn't I have this yesterday? Let me see. Yesterday I have also a puzzle with this one. Let me show you this one. Yes. Yesterday in the 3 stars puzzle. Yeah. This one. The 4094. Yeah. This one has also all the numbers. But it's not the same. It's not the same. Look. 657 751. 649 382. 823 491. The second time that I second time that I see a puzzle with all the numbers. So no pairs, no triple pairs. Yeah, interesting. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzle. Killer Sudoku it will be. Yeah. Will be fun. So see you later. Bye bye for now.